Welcome back to Tap Tech, the channel where we explore the latest tech and gadgets that promise to change the way we capture and experience the world. Today we're looking at something truly exciting from DJI, the Osmo 360 camera. DJI has long been known for pushing the boundaries of imaging technology, and with this device, they're stepping into the immersive world of 360-degree content creation. If you've ever wanted to capture every angle of the moment in stunning clarity, this camera might be exactly what you've been waiting for. The DJI Osmo 360 comes packed with serious specifications. It features dual ultra-wide lenses, each with large 1-inch sensors, allowing for seamless 360-degree capture at up to 8K resolution and 60 frames per second. For creators who love slow motion, it supports 4K at up to 240 frames per second. Still photography is equally impressive, with the ability to shoot high-resolution 72-megapixel 360-degree images in both JPEG and RAW formats. DJI has also added HDR video support, ensuring vibrant colors and better dynamic range, which is crucial for immersive video. Design and build quality reflect DJI's experience in making durable, user-friendly gear. The Osmo 360 is compact, with a sleek cylindrical body that's easy to carry and mount in different positions. It's built with high-quality materials and rated for weather resistance, making it reliable even in outdoor environments. The lenses are slightly raised but well protected, and DJI has included detachable lens guards for extra durability. The overall feel is premium, yet practical, with thoughtful details like anti-slip grip and intuitive button placement. The display and controls are a big step forward. The Osmo 360 features a bright, circular touchscreen that lets you preview shots, switch modes, and adjust settings without needing to connect to a phone. The companion app, however, adds deeper control and editing options, including AI-powered stitching, color grading presets, and real-time preview. DJI has also improved the haptic feedback on the camera itself, giving you more confidence when switching modes or confirming actions. Performance is one of the highlights here. The Osmo 360 stitches footage together seamlessly with minimal visible lines, even in complex scenes. The larger sensors mean low-light performance is significantly better, so you can capture immersive content at night or indoors without the heavy grain you'd expect from smaller action-style cameras. DJI's advanced stabilization technology is built in, delivering smooth and steady footage whether you're running, biking, or mounting it on a drone. On the software side, DJI has packed the Osmo 360 with smart features. The camera supports subject tracking in 360, automatically keeping people or objects in frame as you move. AI-assisted editing tools can highlight the most interesting parts of your footage and generate quick edits for social media. You also get features like time-lapse, hyperlapse, and live streaming in 360, which is perfect for creators looking to connect with audiences in new and immersive ways. For professionals, RAW and ProRes support ensure flexibility in post-production workflows. Battery life is impressive considering the power inside this camera. The Osmo 360 is equipped with a large battery that delivers up to 2.5 hours of continuous shooting in 6K and around 90 minutes in full 8K mode. Charging is quick with USB-C fast charging, and the battery is swappable, so creators can carry extras for longer shoots. This makes it a reliable choice for travel, events, or long filming sessions. Using the Osmo 360 feels smooth and intuitive. Mounting it on a helmet, handheld grip, or even a drone provides completely different perspectives, and the stabilization ensures the footage always looks polished. The automatic horizon leveling adds a professional touch, keeping shots aligned even in dynamic environments. Whether you're vlogging, capturing travel adventures, or creating immersive VR content, the experience is both fun and dependable. Connectivity is another strength. With Wi-Fi 6 support, transferring large 8K files to your phone or computer is faster than ever. There's also Bluetooth 5.2 for stable low-energy connections. The app integration is seamless, giving you remote control, live preview, and editing tools in one place. Live streaming directly from the camera in 360 is also supported, letting creators share real-time immersive experience. Without needing extra gear. Price-wise, the Osmo 360 sits higher than DJI's traditional action cameras, which makes sense given the professional-grade specs. While it's not the cheapest 360 camera on the market, the performance and features justify the investment. For creators, professionals, and even enthusiasts who want top-quality 360 capture in a portable package, it offers excellent value. Of course, there are pros and cons. On the plus side, you get outstanding image quality, smooth stitching, robust stabilization, long battery life, and professional features packed into a compact body. On the downside, it's pricier than entry-level 360 cameras, and the raised lenses require extra care when handling. File sizes can also be very large in 8K, meaning you'll need fast storage solutions. So, what's the final verdict? The DJI Osmo 360 is a powerful tool for anyone who wants to explore immersive content creation. It combines DJI's expertise in stabilization and imaging with a fresh take on 360-degree capture. Whether you're a professional filmmaker, a travel vlogger, or just someone who wants to push creative boundaries, this camera is one of the most capable options available today. You've been watching Tap Tech, where we bring you honest and detailed looks at the latest gadgets shaping our future. If you enjoyed this review of the DJI Osmo 360, make sure to stick around because we have plenty more exciting tech coming your way soon.